Ano daw?
Ano daw?
Dapat talaga UP ako eh.
Oh, mag-ano ka? Mag...
Kung inayos ko lang buhay ko. Eh no, yung kotse. Wow, Beatles. Oh, Beatles ang tawag dyan.
Sabi sa inyo maganda dito.
Oo, tapos...
Maganda siya pag may okasyon din.
Oo,
Pero makakain ko lang kasi nagugutom ko.
dadaling ko yung lasalyan ko dito. Yes, real. Ang lasalyan ko nun ay si Kirby Manuyag.
Ay, shit.
College life. This is what college life look like. So yeah. It's 9 o'clock. So yeah. Everyone is closed. And the Figure Art Science Foundation Inc. oversees the management of P2 Art Museum, the Museum of Indigenous Art, the P2 Academic of the Arts and Science, and the P2 Art Palladium. Laruan kayo ng bata yung ABCD. Yung gaganon. Yung gaganon ganon, hindi mo ba alam yun? Hello. Kita ba? Siya yan. Pogi oh. Yee! Wow. Real. Wow. Ganda. Ingay nila. Oh, wow. I used to rule the world. Actually. Wait lang. Actually.
Bawat ngiti, bawat luha.
Oh, this is amazing. Whoa. Bakit tayo nagkaganito? Bakit tayo nagkaganito? Ikaw ay akin at ako'y iyo-uyo. O ganito lang na talaga magmahal. Kailangan marunong tumaya sa sugay. Cause sometimes I look in her eyes and that's where I find a glimpse of us. Dapat mo na malaman na wala lang amang... Bawal ba kanya?
I'm sorry.
Si all about you and I've been thinking as if I do. Feel that's my dream for travel news. It's not living if it's not with you. And if the double-decker bus crashes into us, to die by your side is such a heavenly way to die. Di ba siya yung Don't you notice how I get quiet? Skibidi dub dub dub, yes. Skibidi dub dub nib nib. Skibidi dub dub dub, yes. Skibidi dub dub nib nib. Okay. Why do I feel like this one looked like a fucking Dead Grips album for some fucking reason? Like album cover or some shit. This one too. This is fucking Dead Grip shit. I've seen footage. What the fuck? Why the fuck does he have that Kazuya hair, man? Doria! You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, round, 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 round. You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, round, down, round, round. Oh snap! What the fuck? Sheesh! He running, boy. He be do running. Run, bitch, run!
Monad. Ganyan yung art style ni Monad. Pero ganyan din yung kay ano.
Oo nga. Reka reka suma F tug tug tug. Reka reka suma I tug tug tug. Reka reka suma U tug tug tug. Reka reka suma F U. Go go go. Fight fight fight. Let's go. Let's go. Tama Raus. Let's go.
Kaya nga, nakita ko kasi. Kasi nga ang ano ng art. Go. Ano yan?
Ichinisan niya. Arigato. Wala nahulog. Di joke lang. Wag po. Welcome to the TikTok Reels Party. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nice. Brain rot. Skibidi dob dob dob, yes, yes. Skibidi dob dob dim dim. Bagong Valorant skin. Hooray. Sheesh. What the heck? It's all about what? It's all about what? Yeah. It hurts to be something. It hurts to be nothing with you.
May gusto niyo ba punta tayo kayo?
Videoan mo kasi, Bona.
Oh, music video to ba eh?
Ay, naku.
Oo, tama po mo. Sabihin na. Ginawa ko. Sabi kasi Bobby, pag di mo pinagutan to, tingin kita sa BGC. Yeah. Kaya nasa Manila tayo, bes, hindi ko na pangalan niya. What the fuck?
So these are the different colors. Yan yung different colors. Yan yung special.
Ma'am, smile ka muna. Ma'am, smile.
IG dump.
Purple, ma'am.
Rainbow.
Quality natin.
Wala naman, ma'am eh.
Sama ka na sa IG dump ko, ma'am. Smile.
Wow.
Let her cook. A minute. Uy! Ang galing ni Walter White.
Salamat, bro.
Salamat, bro. Ayan na. Oh! Jeez.
Sa inyo to para kayo mag-test.
Isushat niya daw.
Ayan, so ganyan lang natin niyo.
Ba't wala?
Wala tayong yellow.
Ah, nagiging bright yellow siya. Wow! Amazing! Worth it yung tuition fee. Yung clown sa amin, kinakain pa yan eh.
Yan ang gusto ko makita.
Si ma'am nagbe-blaze. Hey!
Yellow. Ayun o.
Sheesh, violet.
Hindi naman, ma'am eh.
Bila ko mata ko, ma'am eh.